You go guys, ang ginataang ampalaya na super sarap at walang pait. Ginataang ampalaya na may smoked fish, scotfish at may lemongrass. Super duper sarap. At half cook lang siya, hindi siya nalabog. It's not soggy. Ganyan ako magluto. Kaya walang pait kasi half cook lang. There you go guys, we cut in 10 slices the butter melon, onions and garlic, coconut is ready, the black pepper, whole black pepper guys. I use the pisal and tartar to press it, and I press also the lemongrass, and it's ready. I remove all the bones of our tinapa or smoked fish. So now time to cook in a salad master EOC skillet. So it's clean already, 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's start the work. Guys. First go to EOC salad master skillet is coconut milk. Onions and garlic, black pepper, lemongrass, and tinapa or smoked fish. So let it boil. And let the coconut milk dried up, become oily, then that's the time we're gonna add the ampalaya or butter melon so it doesn't overcook. So let it boil that first 5 to 10 minutes. Then when we cook the ampalaya or butter melon, it's only 2 minutes. The coconut milk is drying up already. We're gonna add the ampalaya or butter melon, and then close the lid, and we're gonna wait for 2 minutes, and it's gonna be done, cooked and ready to eat. She's graduating from 4 minutes. Here you go guys, half cook. So it's good though, half cook. And we're gonna turn it up. And it's ready. So it doesn't get bitter taste when it's half cooked. Now it's turned up. That's the time you gonna stir it. Let's try. Sarap. Crunchy. Wow, this is I like. It's not bitter. Sarap. Grabe guys, hindi siya bitter taste. It's not bitter taste. It's half cooked. Sarap. Dami kong makakain nito, for sure. Ito na ang gagawin kong kanin guys, ang bitter melon. Here you go guys, ang ginataang ampalaya na super sarap at walang pait. Ginataang ampalaya na may smoked fish, scotfish at may lemongrass. Super duper sarap. At half cook lang siya, hindi siya nalabog. It's not soggy. Ganyan ako magluto. Kaya walang pait kasi half cook lang.